Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can transfer in Coinbase to your bank account. So for those who doesn't have an account yet, you can tap on the link in the description so you can sign up and create your account from there. So first step is you have to sell your crypto so you can send it to your bank wallet. So what you're going to do is just go ahead and tap on my accounts at the very bottom. Now from here, just have to scroll all the way down and click on the crypto that you want to sell. So in this example, it is Bitcoin. Tap on the sell button, and from here, just put here the amount and tap on review order. Now from there, just have to check the details and tap on place order. So then tap on view account, and from here, just select your currency. And what you're gonna do is cash out. Put the amount and then go ahead and choose your payment option. So you can choose instant or standard. Then once you're done, just tap on cash out now. So that's it. They will just send you a notification if your cash out was already in your bank. So I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.